Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we'll unbox Fitbit Versa, discuss features and compare it with Fitbit Ionic. Also we'll try to discuss whether you should buy Fitbit Versa, Ionic or Apple Watch as we go. So let's get into it. Fitbit Versa is the latest Fitbit smartwatch launched recently. In terms of features, it's almost got everything you need from a fitness watch except an inbuilt GPS. Some of the top features are it's an all-day companion that helps you live your best life. It's lightweight, swim proof, which will help you to reach your health and fitness goals. You can get personalized guidance, on-screen workouts and much more. You can get your daily stats for steps, calories burned, continuous heart rate, etc. It boasts 4+ day battery life and you can store music locally as well as download your own music from Deezer. So let's talk about design. If you have used Pebble Watch in the past, this design is a strong resemblance of that. This is really good looking smart fitness watch, no doubt. I will go ahead and say this is the best looking watch Fitbit has ever made. This design, like Fitbit Ionic, allows you to change bands and add this watch to your lifestyle easily in different occasions. I found it slightly difficult in changing the bands compared to other Fitbit bands and watches I've used. Fitbit does sleep tracking the best among the lot I've seen. With Fitbit, all your fitness data is central. No matter what watch you choose or phone you choose, your history will be in the Fitbit app. If you're Android user, Apple Watch is not an option for you, obviously. Also, if you like to track sleep natively using your fitness watch, then Apple Watch is also not a good choice. Fitbit app itself is the best app in the market you will get. Whether you look at Garmin's, TomTom's full color touchscreen display is bright and works well in broad sunlight. Touchscreen is very responsive and proves the quality associated with the Fitbit brand. Let's quickly talk about the connected GPS. It means Versa doesn't have inbuilt GPS capability and relies on your smartphone to map your runs. This might not be a big deal for people who run indoors or like to carry their phone on their runs itself. But people who just like to wear their fitness watch and go out for a run outdoors, they will have to look either at Fitbit Ionic or Apple Watch or Garmin series watches with built-in GPS. Final words, I love the design. It's very light. It looks really nice on your wrist. You won't even notice that you're wearing it or even while sleeping. It just fits in your lifestyle easily. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.